Good afternoon, good evening, dear children. Today we are going to discuss the chapter Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. The chapter was written by Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray was born in 2nd May and he died on 23rd April in Kolkata, Bengal. He was a Bengali Indian film director, writer, and illustrator. He is famous for his short stories that he wrote for children. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1992, which is also considered as the highest award in India. So now let us start reading the chapter Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. There are the two main parts of the story. One, Kalicharan's bookstore, and the second, Bipin Chaudhary's real visit to Ranchi. Kalicharan's bookstore is important because this is where the all of the story begins, and his real visit to Ranchi is important because this is where the conclusion of the story happens. Okay, now as I told you that the beginning of the story, Bipin's meeting with Parimal Ghosh. So Parimal Ghosh, they both don't know each other. Okay. Parimal asks Bipin about his 1958 trip to Ranchi when Parimal Ghosh saw Bipin Chaudhary at the bookstore and he was staring at him. Therefore, Bipin was shocked and he asked him, "Do we know each other or what?" It is He reminds him by saying that he was the one to arrange Bipin's 1 week trip and they also went to Hudru Falls. He had a right cut on his knee as he had a fall near the Hudru waterfalls. Bipin, and he also gives various instances so that Bipin will remember about his trip or about his stay to Ranchi. For example, Parimal Ghosh says that Bipin stayed in a hotel with his friend Dinesh Mukherjee in a bungalow. They stayed in a bungalow because Bipin didn't like hotel food, therefore he had kept a bawarchi. Parimal Ghosh also told Bipin that his wife had died 10 years ago, he had no children, and his brother had died insane. And that was the reason why Bipin did not want to visit the mental hospital or asylum or in Ranchi. Now, Bipin was quite shocked. He was like, it is unbelievable, this was impossible to happen because he had never been to Ranchi and he had never ever met Parimal Ghosh. Now, throughout the time, Bipin was confused and he couldn't believe. Therefore, he thought of confirming about his trip to Ranchi. What Bipin said was that in 1958, instead of being present in Ranchi, Bipin had been at his friend Haridas Bagchi's place in Kanpur and doing a pujo. Then it came to his mind that he can confirm it from Haridas Bagchi. But Haridas had left to Now, Bipin couldn't concentrate on his work and had started losing his sense at every passing minute. Now he was so scared, he was getting really nervous that will he also end up like his brother, insane and in an asylum? Therefore, he was scared and in a way he thought of confirming about their visit to Ranchi. In order to do that, he decided to call his friend Dinesh Mukherjee. And Dinesh Mukherjee also confirmed his trip to Ranchi that yes, we both went to Ranchi in 1958. Now comes the entry of Chunni Lal. Chunni Lal had been Bipin's schoolmate. He had been coming to see Bipin for a job and unfortunately or fortunately Bipin did not help him. Therefore, he was a little disappointed, he was a little sad on his friend. Now, Bipin has decided to confirm about the Ranchi trip from Chunni Lal. and Chunni Lal informs him that he was the one to fix up his railway ticket, his railway bouquet, and the fan in his compartment was not working. Therefore, Chunni Lal called an electrician to do the changes, and he also informed him that if you can remember about my previous job, how come you can't remember about your trip to Ranchi? And Chunnilal also expressed his concern that, I really wish that you are not started taking any drugs or any medication. Chunnilal laid a focus on Bipin going insane since he couldn't remember anything of consulting a specialist. Therefore, he went to see a specialist, Dr. Paresh Chanda. And Paresh Chanda also had never ever seen such a rare case where the patient cannot remember only one particular incident that happened in his life. Therefore, Dr. Paresh Chanda advised him to visit Ranchi again, and maybe that will bring his lost memory back. Therefore, now Bipin has decided to visit Ranchi, but as soon as he got down at the railway station, he couldn't remember anything at all. He said that he has never ever been to Ranchi. He has never ever stepped on this railway platform. Therefore, to be sure enough, he started roaming in the streets of the Ranchi in order to confirm it. And now his head started rolling, his head started whirling. Therefore, to be double sure, he has now decided to pay a visit to Hudru Falls. But when he visited Hudru Falls, he lost his consciousness because he was going insane, because he couldn't remember anything. He had never ever been to Hudru Falls in real life, but there were so many claims that he has been to Hudru Falls. Therefore, he fainted there, and some tourists from Gujarat, they helped him, and when he woke up, he was in his bed. Therefore, the conclusion of the story is when he was in the bed lying, his servant brought an envelope which marked urgent and which was very shocked. Why? The contents of the letter described that his friend Chunni Lal had used his imagination and had taken a revenge on his friend. The whole Ranchi trip was a lie which Chunni Lal made, and other characters also participated in it. It was a lesson, it was a revenge from Chunni Lal which he took on Bipin. Chunnilal made a prank on Bipin as he was so angry on his friend for not helping him in the time of need. Now let us discuss the key points of the chapter. The main characters are Bipin Chaudhary, whom this story revolves around. Bipin Chaudhary is a person who loves reading, and the whole story revolves around his trip to Ranchi in 1958. In reality, he had never ever been to Ranchi. Okay. Piramal Ghosh is the person who began all of this play. Piramal Ghosh was the person who gave many incidents and who gave many examples to Bipin Chaudhary which might confirm his visit to Ranchi. Chunnilal. Chunnilal has been his classmate, has they both studied together in the school, and now Chunnilal was in search of a job and thought of asking Bipin, but Bipin did not help his friend. Therefore, Chunnilal was very mad at him because he didn't help him, and as a result he used his imagination and plotted all of this against Bipin Chaudhary. That he went with Bipin in 1958 to Ranchi. Dr. Chanda is the specialist who had advised him to visit Ranchi in real life. Now, the plot of the story is that Bipin Babu meets Parimal Ghosh in a bookshop. He talks of his Ranchi trip, but Bipin doesn't remember it all. Finally, he visits a doctor who advises him to visit Ranchi again. Still, he has no memory, and in the end, his friend Chunni Lal discloses about the prank that he had played. Therefore, it was all a lie. The theme of the story is a friend in need is a friend indeed. One should always be there for their friends in difficult times. Had Bipin Babu helped his friend Chunni Lal, all of this would have never ever happened. Therefore, one must always stand whenever your friend needs you.